User interface, navigation. The user interface of the SiroLaser Blue is very intuitive, so navigating through the different menus is simple and self-explanatory. The SiroLaser Blue is turned on by pushing the on-off button on the back side of the control unit. In some cases, when the laser has been switched off for a longer time, it may be necessary to press the on-off button twice to start the unit. While the SiroLaser Blue is booting, information about the software version and a note to read the user manual will be displayed. Please enter your personal 4-digit PIN code. The key user PIN code is preset to 2974. This is the main home screen, and it displays the following information and options from top to bottom. Battery status, and, if attached, the plug icon. Username. Favorites, shortcuts for up to 6 personally selected favorites. Results of the automatic self-test concerning the calibration test and safety test countdowns, status of the finger switch, and status of the USB port. And the push buttons to change the user and to enter the All Applications menu and the Setup menu. This is the Setup menu, and it displays the following information and options. Activation device. Settings for the sound and display brightness. Software update. Battery calibration. Language. Settings for date and time. User management. History file. Calibration test. Service menu, which is only accessible for trained technicians.